This is a tangle called Love Scroll. We did this twice in a live. So essentially I started with a heart that I put with pencil first. Then I outlined it in ink, made this little area to the right that I just auraed a little bit, and then I went ahead and put a spiral. I auraed the spiral, brought a line down from the outside of each part of the spiral, which actually makes the scroll and makes it look 3D. And then once I was done with that, I just took two areas and I made some wavy lines and auraed them. And then I took the Tangle Eek, which is the letter E, and made it look as though there was real writing on the letter. Now I did a whole bunch of extra after this that was done behind the scenes, so you'll have a surprise here in a second to see what I did with it. And this is also going to be and is a sticker in my Etsy shop. So if you go under my bio or profile, I have a link tree which has my Etsy shop, my website, and all my other links. So here is the final look at Love Scroll. Have an amazing, wonderful day.